Let's get right into it. You're going to start by making a magic ring. To do that, you're going to cross the shorter side of your yarn over the working yarn. So the part that is the starting end should be over your working yarn. You put your hook through the circle, yarn over and pull it out. And just like that, you have your magic ring. The magic ring is still very loose, so make sure you're holding on to it well so it doesn't fall apart. Then you're going to move on to chaining 2. This will also secure the magic ring so you can let go of it now. The next thing to do is to make 3 triple crochets. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. You're going to yarn over your hook 2 times, so you should have 3 loops on your hook. Then you're going to insert your hook through the middle of the magic ring, yarn over again and pull through. So now you should have 4 loops on your hook. Then you yarn over once more, pull it through 2 of those loops. You should have 3 now. You yarn over, pull through another 2, so you're left with 2 more. You yarn over finally again and pull through the last 2, and that's how you do a triple crochet. So you're going to repeat that 2 more times to have a total of 3 triple crochets. Let me show you once again how to do it. You're going to yarn over your hook 2 times to have 3 loops, insert into the middle of the magic ring, yarn over again, pull through, so you should have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, you should be left with 3, yarn over, pull through 2, you should be left with 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2, and that's how you make a triple crochet. Next, we are going to make 3 double crochets. So to do that, you're going to yarn over your hook once, insert into the middle of your magic ring, yarn over and pull through, so you should have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, so you should have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, and that's how you make a double crochet. So we're going to repeat that 2 more times to make a total of 3 double crochets. As you progress around the magic ring, don't forget to pull your stitches together so there are no unnecessary gaps between them. This is what the heart should look like at this point. So then we're going to chain 1. Then you do just 1 triple crochet. The magic ring doesn't need to be this wide, so we're going to reduce it by tugging on the starting end of the yarn. And go ahead and chain 1. Now we're halfway across the heart, so for the other side of the heart, we're just going to replicate what we did on this side but in reverse. So we're going to start off with 3 double crochets. Then just like the other side, we're going to do 3 triple crochets. Don't forget to keep moving your stitches closer to each other to avoid unnecessary gaps. As you go, you can keep reducing the size of the magic ring by tugging on the starting end. Just like we started the heart with chain 2, we are going to end with chain 2. Then you slip stitch into the center of the magic ring. To do that, you just put your hook through the center, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through the loop. Then to end it all, you chain 1, cut your yarn and pull through. Don't forget to pull on the starting end of your yarn to close the magic ring completely. It should look like this by the end, and just like that we've successfully made a heart. If you're going to attach it to a piece of garment, you can use the loose ends to attach it, but if not, you can weave in the loose ends with a tapestry needle. This is what it should look like with the ends weaved in. You can adjust it a little with your hand just to make sure it gives you the perfect shape of the heart. The instructions for making this heart will be written in the description, so if you want to check that out, feel free. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, bye!